What's up, guys? A15 Garage here. Today, side markers. This is the Caprice. This would work on, I believe, the G8 and the Holden Commodore and Statesman and whatnot. Hopefully you can hear me over the engine, but they're gonna replace that little orange thing here. It looks like it's just 2 bits here. And then I can pull the liner out enough to clip it, unclip it out, and swap it in. Hopefully it matches pretty good. Here, I'll turn them on real quick. So this is what they look like with the orange. And then you just take this one and unclip it, kind of like that. Oh, I see how that. Okay. So you gotta take this off the orange one, pop the bulb out, and then you're gonna take this piece, it's gonna get put into here, that. Stay very good. Well, let's see if it works. Hey! And then repeat for the other side. Alrighty guys, we're back, and this side's still orange, but this side has the black one in, so I got this one in. I'll show you how to do it on the other side, but the car's actually changed since the intro of the video. I actually got these are G8 rims. They're just V6 rims. I kind of like them better than the like thick 6-spoke or 5 spokes. I got the Holden center caps, obviously. Got these inside that need to be painted with the lights. Dog's going off. Door handles, I don't know if they were on before. I got the Holden grill. Don't know if I showed off the back cover. I got the Statesman thing. And I gotta get the Caprice thing off. I was working on that earlier. But I gotta get the rest of that off. I found that alcohol works really good. So yeah, I'm gonna put the camera down and we're gonna take this off. I don't know if I showed off what I used in the previous part of what I was going to use. But T15 and a ratchet, I guess. You can use a nut runner or whatever you want. But there's one here and here. I don't know if you can see up top, but those are the 2 that come off. Let's see if I can get in there. See that gray thing right there? That's the plug we gotta get undone. That should be pretty easy to do with your thumb. And then that top gray thing will have to be pushed out and up or down. so it pops out just by, I went in like this and squeezed it, and then it comes out like that. And then I can actually unclip it outside. It's a lot easier to take this off all the way, and then put the black one in. So you actually gotta take the bulb out. And then this goes into the bulb socket. I can go back in. I can't really see what's going on because it's too bright out, but it'll go in here. And then that'll go into here. And then I just double checked it and it works. So then it is improper then. So then it should all just kind of, it notches down first and then pops in. I just want to give it a little white bit before I put it in there. But yeah, down and then I believe that's how it is supposed to. Go down like that, yeah, and then like that. This is kind of looking weird. I don't know what's wrong with this one. There we go. Okay, I just gotta give it a little bit of push, but now it's in there. And now it gives it more of the Commodore or like actual Statesman look, because they don't have these on the Australian models. It's just the bumper's all black. I know the bumper's not the same bumper, but this is more like the Middle East bumper, but looks good. So yeah, thanks for watching the little tutorial. Hopefully it helped you a little bit. I'm just gonna put it in reverse, just pretty much put these in. The screws in, and that's it. Thanks for watching.